So I included the picture-in-picture here so you can see the difference in woods and hardwoods specifically. In the smaller picture you can see I've pre-drilled to go into the Purple Heart, and I actually snapped the screw head off. So I decided to flip it and go into the walnut instead, and it worked out a lot better. But if you're going to go into the Purple Heart, make sure you pre-drill and get some heavy duty screws. And there you have it. Nice little pony keg table. Perfect for the man cave, billiard room, or anywhere around the house. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and as always, thanks for buzzing by.